Okay, so those are my answers there. I added those up and I got those. It doesn't matter what the base is. The base could be anything. I have 0.5 there. It could be pi to the negative third times pi to the negative eighth. Just keep whatever the base is as long as it's the same. Okay, let's throw some variables in here as well. So a couple more examples. Let's see here. 4z to the fifth times 9z to the negative 12th. And the important thing to remember here is that you need to separate the coefficients and the variables in your mind, okay? So the z to the fifth, sorry, let me do this first. Beautiful. The z to the fifth, that fifth power only applies to the z. It doesn't apply to the 4. If I were to say the 4 has an exponent, I would say that's 4 to the first power there. But I'm not going to write it because writing a 1 as a power is unnecessary and sometimes rude in some cultures. So the numbers out front, just multiply them. 4 times 9 is 36. And then the exponents, 5 minus 12, is z to the negative 7th. If it has to fully simplify this, I will go ahead and put that z to the 7th in the bottom, in the denominator. Okay, so if it says to fully simplify, I will go ahead and do that last step as well. It's z to the negative 7th, negative exponent placed in the denominator. Or if it's in the denominator, place it in the numerator. Switch it around. Okay, so one more like this, and then I'll let you try a couple, and then one more thing to talk about. So 2a times 9b to the fourth times 3a squared. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is look at my coefficients and multiply those. 2, 9, and 3. And so the easiest way to do it is take 2 times 3 first is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. You can multiply those in any order, but if you choose a good order, you can do it in your head a little easier. I don't know what 18 times 3 is off the top of my head, but I do know what 6 times 9 is. The next thing I'm going to do is look at the letters, and I'm going to combine ones that are alike. So I have 1a here and 2 a's there for a total of 3 a's. And I have 4 b's there and no other. So that is my final answer there, 54, a to the third, b to the fourth. And I usually put those in alphabetical order because that's what they told me to do once. Let's try it. I shouldn't abbreviate try it. That's really, really lazy. Let's go ahead and try a couple of these. 5x to the fourth times x to the ninth times 3x. And then I'll have negative 4c to the third times 7d squared times 2c to the negative 2. Okay, go ahead and try those out. I'll be back with you in a minute.